Well, today was a normal and typical summer day here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Heat, humidity, and quite a bit of lightning and thunder. The sea breeze did spark up a couple of very strong thunderstorms just to the east of Conway. And that one storm actually did bring us here, the ABC 15 News Studio, quite a bit of lightning and thunder. But because of that sea breeze, it just completely died out as it tried to reach North Myrtle Beach, but I don't think they saw any rain there in North Myrtle Beach. Overnight tonight, we do still have a very small chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but as that sunlight goes down, we lose all that heat and instability. We're really gonna lose that chance of a scattered shower or a storm. Overnight lows tonight in the mid-70s everywhere you look, low 70s across the PD and also on the border belt. Another hot day everywhere you look, a little bit cooler than it was today, but we're still going to be topping out anywhere in the 90s across the PD and also on the border belt. Upper 80s to low 90s right along the immediate coast. Now, thanks to a cold front that will be approaching us throughout the day today, that will bring us a very good chance for an isolated shower or storm, especially throughout the afternoon. So let's go ahead and time this out for you. Starting out as you were heading out the door, not a single cloud in the sky, so no need for the rain jacket as you were heading out the door. And that will be the case all the way until your lunch hour, but it's the afternoon when things start to change. 2, 3, and 4 o'clock, widespread scattered showers across the whole entire region. Some of you across Bennettsville, Hartsville, and Florence will be staying dry. However, those of you along the coastline will be experiencing some of those scattered showers and also storms. Some of these can be very, very heavy and produce very heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and even some damaging winds. We may get a little bit of a break here along the coastline at about 8 o'clock with some of the heaviest rain across Hartsville, Bennettsville, and Florence, but then we have a better shot along the coastline anywhere probably after midnight into 2 a.m. On Saturday morning. So once again, if we do see any severe storms over throughout the day tomorrow, they're not going to produce any tornadoes or any hail. However, there is a very small chance of an isolated damaging wind gust. Let's turn our focus off to the tropics. Over the past couple of days, the National Hurricane Center has been watching this big cluster of convection here in the Western Caribbean Sea. This was Invest 91L and it still is, but now considering it has a very good shot of development and it will bring a very good swath of rain to the Florida Peninsula. They have now made this a potential tropical cyclone. Maximum sustained winds at 35 miles per hour. You would think that the center of circulation is actually right here within all this convection, but believe it or not, it is still right here near Cancun, and that's because all this wind shear that the storm is currently battling has pushed all this convection and thunderstorm activity off to the east. So it's very hard to tell where the center of circulation actually is, but just know it's still way over here in Cancun. And you can obviously guess, considering the amount of wind shear that there is going to be, the system has absolutely no shot of turning into a hurricane at all. It's gonna be very, very hard for it to even turn into a tropical storm, to say the least, but potentially becoming a tropical storm as early as the afternoon tomorrow, making landfall somewhere along the western coast of Florida throughout Saturday afternoon. It will strengthen up just a little bit as it heads into the eastern Atlantic Ocean, but still very, very, very far away from us. Once again, plenty of wind shear all throughout the Gulf of Mexico and even into the Atlantic as well. That surface trough that's going to be bringing us the rain and storms tomorrow has definitely got our back, as well as everybody there across the Florida Peninsula. This is going to be a very beneficial rainmaker for everybody across central and southern Florida. Potentially upwards of 7 to 10 inches of rain is possible over central and southern Florida. Once again, not a single impact here beside maybe some coastal flooding and some enhanced rip current risk. That front that will be coming through our area will become a stationary front, and that will bring us a much better shot of rain come Saturday and Sunday as well. Here's your forecast along the immediate coast. Once again, our best shot of rain will come tomorrow with that cold front coming through. That cold front will turn into a stationary front for your weekend. However, it will drop our temperatures down way down into the low 80s. As you headed into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, we're back up in the mid to high 80s with a perfect forecast for your CCMF. Here's your forecast inland, I should say. Best shot of rain comes tomorrow, still battling temperatures in the 90s. Another shot of rain for your Saturday, temperatures going back down into the mid to high 80s. Our next shot of rain will come next Wednesday. Keep it here at Lane's Weather for all the latest information on potential Tropical Cyclone 1.